Welcome back to LGS.
Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So Madison, I have 2 boxes to unbox today. I'm too short, Maddie. I need a phone book. Okay, we're going like this. We have 2 boxes to unbox today, and Madison is going to unbox the first one. You're making silly faces, aren't you? Yeah, you're nutbar. Okay. This is the very first box Madison's going to unbox. Now, Madison, where's it from? Can you tell me? It's a big box like this one. Where's it from? Who's it for? Who's it for?
I knew it was for me.
It's for you.
And
it's from Auntie Barb. So do you know? So what you're gonna say is, everybody, this box is from Barb, from Barb's Unboxings. I'm gonna leave her link down below. Tell everyone to go subscribe.
Go subscribe to Barb's channel.
So this is from Auntie Barb, okay, and that's for you.
Topbox?
No, Auntie Barb is in Alberta.
Wow, it looks like a Topbox.
So Barb is so kind. Here you go. Now you open it. I just opened up that tab for you. Barb is so kind. She sent something for Madison.
Okay, I'm gonna open the card first.
You have a card? Cool.
I like opening.
Right, they just rip open. The envelope is ripped open. All right.
Hello.
Hello. I'm afraid I'm gonna knock some stuff up. Dear Madison,
I received this makeup kit
in a
mystery box. Thought you would enjoy it. See you sometimes in your mom's videos. I will hear that you really like makeup. So I went and so I got this.
So wait, start.
So when I got this, I knew it would be perfect for you. Please follow all your parents' rules about makeup, because I would hate it if you got in trouble. Love, Barb. P.S. I know you can stay out of your mom's makeup. Please be your own.
Start all over. Now you can
stay out of your mom's makeup.
Because
you have your own.
And what do you say?
Thank you, Barb.
Thank you, Auntie Barb. That was a lovely little note, Barb. Thank you so much.
Whoa.
I'm sitting on my, and that's too small, my Coca-Cola skincare fridge. What is that? Show it to everybody. What did you get? Show it up. All right, and remember, the camera's right there. So she got Sugar Pill, little Twin Stars Pro Makeup Collection. What is inside of that? All right, let's see. What a cute box, Madison. Wow. Okay, wait. Open it up like this. Show everybody. Look, when you open a box, it looks like that.
We got 2 lipsticks.
When you got 2 lipsticks, a makeup case. Okay, you put it on your lap.
And an eyeshadow.
And then you can pull it out and show everybody. So you show everybody. Pull it. Make sure they see it. Okay, make sure the camera's right there. So that's the makeup case. And you turn it around. It's so cute. And then, oh, you want to show the lipsticks? Okay, show the lipsticks. 2 lipsticks. That is so cute. Okay. And then you have,
oh, an eyeshadow
here,
palette.
an eyeshadow palette. Wow. I should have had you sitting on a phone book. Okay. Little Twin Stars limited edition eyeshadow palette.
Ooh.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh my God.
That is so cute.
It's so pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
I love that color. The Dream Dust.
I love this one.
You love the Star Ribbon?
I love Star Ribbon and Sky Candy.
Yeah, very pretty. It's got little mirrors. So that is so
Cute.
and so very nice. Thank you so much.
I want to try on the lipstick.
You can try on a lipstick. How about you hop up out of the chair and pass Mommy that black box that's right there. And what do you say again to Auntie Barb?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Barb. That was
feel
so
like there's stuff
sweet and
inside
kind.
it?
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, you take your little set over there. Okay, and I got a box today. Here, take that. Thanks, babe. So, Topbox. This arrived today, and I'm a little bit buggered at myself. Yes, baby? Makeup white? Yeah, right here. I'm a little bit buggered. I'll tell you why. Because when the wish list came out at the end of January, and I first said, okay, I'll take the Bite Beauty lip mask. And then 3 minutes later, I went back in and changed it to a regular box. Because I thought, you know what, that lip mask is, what, $22 at Sephora? And, you know, we're all kind of hoping that Topbox really does something great this month, because the last few months has been kind of crappy, right? Yeah. Oh, it does smell really good. So, yeah, that's very nice. So, we, you know, the last few months, Topbox has been kind of crappy. There's been no add-ons, and then what we're getting, you know, I mean, I wasn't really mad at last month's box. I mean, they put more makeup in it, which is cool, but you know, I think we were getting used to last year seeing at least one, you know, expensive item in the box, right? Anyways, they sent me the box today, and it was literally 3 minutes later, I went back in and changed it to a regular box. So I sent them an email. I don't know if they're going to do anything about it. You know, they might say your first choice was blah, blah, blah. But I mean, there's been so many times I made a choice and then go back and change it and get my second choice. So this was one of the Prive top boxes. They sent me the Bite Beauty. I'm going to find it on Sephora how much it is down below in Canadian. But this is one of them, everybody. It's the lip mask. And I have it already. You know, you buy it off. I bought it off of Facebook for somebody, the small size one, for like, I don't know, $5, something like that. And that's why I was like, I really don't need another one. You know, I just want to give it a try and see if I like it, because my lips are really dry. That's the green one. That's freaky deaky. Yeah, so they sent me this. I'll let you know what they say to me, you know, if they get back to me about, hey, I changed it to a regular box. I mean, I don't think that's worth my $17. I know it might be $5 more at Sephora, but that's not worth it to me. You know, like, it's just not. And, I don't know, everyone, at Topbox.
Was one thing for $17?
Yeah, and, you know, that's why I went back and I changed my mind 3 minutes later. But, I don't know. Top boxes are coming out soon. Well, the 15th is on Saturday, and I don't imagine I'm not going to get my box probably until Monday. But some people are going to start getting their boxes. I did see one, and it wasn't, you know, wow. The girl canceled, and with every right to cancel, she canceled. Because, I mean, it's just been $17. I can get an Ipsy bag for $3 more with 5 products that I love. And, you know, I can have a full-size brush and a full-size lipstick. You know what I mean? Or a highlighter that's going to last me, you know, 4 years. So, yeah, that's Topbox, everyone. So it's coming. Be on the lookout. But I think that they're going to lose a few subscribers, I believe. I think they have in the last few months. And I think this month is, you know, if the boxes are all like the one that we've seen, they're going to lose a lot. That's it. Don't forget, everyone's going to get charged on the 15th of this month for the Luxebox, for Topbox Luxebox. Don't forget, that's, you know, you're going to get charged for that on the 15th of this month. If you are subscribed to the Topbox Luxebox. And Boxy Pop-Up came up today. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get? I ordered 2 sets of those Moda $5 brushes. Really great deal. I love those brushes. And I ordered, I don't know why I did this. I ordered a May Boxycharm box. And I'm like, then I looked at the spoilers. And I'm going, I don't even like what's in the box. So I'm hoping that, oh my God, there's something good in this box. But I was thinking I wanted the March. And I seen M. And I didn't realize till after that it was actually May and not March. So that's what I did. Then you can't go back and cancel it. So I'm stuck with the May box. Hopefully it's good. I got my old MAC Beauty palette on my eyes today. I took it out. I haven't worn this in such a long time. And I must say, I'm really liking, like, I really like my eyes today. I started off There's the old MAC palette. I started off with my Violet Voss Halloween palette, and what a mess. Hey, Maddie, I had my eyes in such a mess. I got black everywhere. It was such a mess. I had to take it off. And Madison's got ColourPop, the blush palette, Blush Crush palette on her eyes. So that's it, everyone. Don't forget to like my video. And everyone, please go subscribe to Barb's Unboxings. Tell her Lisa and Madison sent you. Please, what are you supposed to say to Auntie Barb?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I know we're calling your auntie. Barb, your auntie now, even though, you know, we've never met, but your auntie now, and just, you know, everybody's auntie. So thank you so much. That was so sweet, Barb. So sweet.
Subscribe, and comment.
Yay, bye.